Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. It's a 4-hour chart of gold USD in front of us, and yesterday during CPI release, we saw a good move on the chart of gold. When there was a sudden drop, huge drop on the chart of DXY, we saw a massive up move on the chart of Euro USD, Gold USD, and others. After making a high of 1806, gold again saw some profit booking, and right now we can see that gold is standing at 1785 level. So if you have any ongoing sell position on the chart of gold, then you can be on the trade. I think that gold will be going down at least till 1780 1781 level. But my dear friend, if you're looking for a fresh entry, fresh position on the market, then you don't need to enter in the middle of the chart right now, because see, the best selling opportunity was around somewhere around here. If you have taken a sell position, be on the dot. But if you have missed the trade, no need to worry, because another trading opportunity will come around this level again. But if you look at the overall chart of gold here, you can see that we have more or less a rising wedge pattern. Okay, so in this kind of pattern, we usually see a huge drop on any chart of the market. So yes, there a fall may come. I have already discussed in my previous videos also that yes, a fall may come if we overall look at the pattern on the chart of gold. But for day traders, yes, there are some trading opportunities that I'll be discussing right now. First of all, we have support around 1779 level. Around this level we have a support, but keep in mind this is not a good support, very strong support. This is just a minor support. Okay, so if there is not much volatility in the market, if the same kind of volatility continues, then yes, there is a possibility that market will be reversing or bouncing from here. So once market reaches 1778 level, observe the market and see how the market is doing or reacting. If you see the market is bouncing, the market is trying to go up again, then you can come to the conclusion that yes, this level is acting as support and you can go for a buy position. But if you see that market is standing at support, but market is still struggling to go up, market is still forming red candles, then obviously there is a high chance that market will be following the pattern and we can see selling position. Not selling position, selling on the chart of gold. Okay, so first of all, 1779 to 1778. This is your first trading opportunity, but as this level is not a very strong one, you must be very careful. If market bounces, then only go for a buy position, and in case market breaks it also, okay, then if you want to take a sell position, you can take a sell position with proper risk management. Okay. But personally I'm not convinced enough. Okay, I'm not convinced enough to take a sell position, so I'll just avoid taking any sell position below this level. Okay, so the second support on the chart of gold is 1765 to 66, this level on the market. Why we are considering this level? Because if we forget about the pattern, the wedge pattern here, and if we simply consider the chart, then we can see that when there was a big fall on the market, when market formed this big red candle, this was the level that provided support to the market. So obviously this signifies that there may be some institutions or strong buyers present around this level. So yes, we can hope that in case market breaks also this level, market will be getting the support to bounce from here. If it bounces from 1765 1766 level, you can go for a buy position, and this is your second trading opportunity. Okay, and obviously the third trading opportunity is around this level. So let's wait and watch how the market reacts. If market breaks 1750 level, if market breaks this particular level here, then we can consider a proper trend reversal. But as of now, can just we are just getting indication that yes, there can be a trend reversal, there may be a trend reversal coming up, but we do not have the trend reversal yet. Okay, so please be careful and follow proper risk management. See, this is my analysis, I can be wrong as well, so do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Follow strict risk management. Bye bye, take care.